Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Love Spouse app. The first thing you need to do is install the app. If you're using an Android phone, go to the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type Love Spouse and look for the official app. Tap on the Install button and wait for it to finish downloading. When the installation is done, open the app. Give it a few seconds to load. Tap on Next Step and then tap on Completed. The app will ask you to confirm your age. This app is for users who are 18 and older, so tap on Yes, I'm 18 plus to continue. If you're new to the app, tap on Sign Up. Enter your email, create a password, and re-enter the password to confirm. After that, set up your profile by adding a photo, entering your nickname, selecting your year of birth, and choosing your gender. When you're done, tap on Next Step. Follow the short setup guide that appears. Once you've answered everything, tap on Completed. Your account will now be ready, and you can start using the app. Thanks for watching.